Alright, we have here a 2005 F250 Super Duty Lariat trim. Has the 5.4 3-valve Triton. Got the hood up here because the battery is dead. Has not been run in probably over a year. So I've got the jump pack on it. We'll give it a whirl here after I do a quick walk around. This will need tires. It does have cords showing on it, as you can see. Typical Minnesota rust. Starting in on the rocker panels there. The bed is quite rusty, but most of the paint's there. 2-inch receiver. This side is missing one of the caps off of the wheel. Again, more cab corner rust. Not terrible, but definitely there. It's the full running boards. Nice front clip. If somebody's wanting to do a conversion, that's all there. Straight little dent here in the front fender. We got our engine. Battery might take a charge, put it on low charge, but for today we're just jumping it. This engine runs well when cold, but once it is warmed up, it does develop a miss. This is the main reason this this truck is selling. Starts well, but does develop a miss when warmed up. Look in here. Nice Lariat leather interior. We do have a split starting right here on this driver's seat. They are heated seats, full power, both sides. With a bench in the front, fold down. 6-disc CD player. Turn knob 4-wheel drive. And adjustable pedals. Auto dimming lights. Go ahead and fire this thing up here. There's right up. It's down there, you can hear the engine does run quite well when it's cold. Just have to figure out why once it warms up it develops that miss. Front door ajar. Let's get in here and close so we can see. There's our miles. 202,490 miles. Unknown air conditioning condition. May need a charge. Any questions on this item, give us a shout. 320-573-2341. Thanks.